On this short tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram. You can send messages for 3 days. All what you have to do, guys, to fix this problem is open the settings on your phone, open the apps, and then it will take you to this page right here. Now you have to scroll until you find the Instagram and click on it. Right here you will find the app informations. Click on this force stop and then click on the storage, click on clear cache and clear data, and then reopen your Instagram. Go to your profile, go to the top here, click on the settings, go to the help option, click on the report a problem, click on report problem without shaking, and now all what you want to do on this page is just send a message to the Instagram support team and tell them what is the problem, and they will help you in just a few hours. Don't forget to like, subscribe.